Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Gilbert Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2017 Mazda 3 hatch, stock reference number 4464. The shape runs from the 11th month 2013 through to the 2nd month 2019. It has a PE 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. PE 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand LED fog light. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror, which appears to have no damage. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It has a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, sat nav display screen, interior mirror. We have the courtesy lamp and the left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.